Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.
What would you like?
I'd like a coffee.
Small or large?
Large, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot.
Anything else?
Yes, a sandwich.
Which sandwich?
A chicken sandwich.
For here or to go?
For here.
Would you like sugar?
Yes, 2 sugars.
Milk or no milk?
With milk, please.
Is that all?
Yes, that's all.
Your name, please?
Alex.
That's Alex, right?
Yes.
The total is $5.
Here you are.
Cash or card?
Card, please.
Please tap here.
Okay.
Would you like a receipt?
No, thank you.
Please wait here.
Sure.
Your coffee is ready.
Thank you.
Enjoy your drink.
Thanks a lot.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it's great.
Do you like the sandwich?
Yes, very much.
Can I get you anything else?
No, thanks.
Have a nice day.
You too.
See you next time.
See you.
Take care.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
Come again.
I will.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Excuse me,
Yes?
where is the milk?
Over there.
On the left?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you need help?
Yes, please.
What are you looking for?
Bread.
White or brown?
Brown bread.
This one?
Yes.
Anything else?
Eggs.
How many?
1 dozen.
Here you are.
Thanks.
Is that all?
Yes.
Please go to the cashier.
Okay.
Excuse me, can you help me for a moment?
Yes, of course, I can help you.
I'm looking for the bus stop nearby.
The bus stop is just around the corner.
Is it far from here?
No, it's very close.
Is it easy to find?
Yes, it's quite easy to find.
Do I need to cross the street?
Yes, you need to cross the street.
Should I use the crosswalk?
Yes, please use the crosswalk.
What should I do after that?
Walk straight for about 2 minutes.
Should I walk fast or slowly?
You can walk at a normal pace.
Do I turn left after that?
Yes, turn left at the traffic light.
Is there a traffic light there?
Yes, there is a big traffic light.
Will I see a big building?
Yes, you will see a large store.
Is the store easy to notice?
Yes, it's very easy to notice.
Is the bus stop near the store?
Yes, it's right in front of the store.
Is there a bench at the bus stop?
Yes, there is a small bench.
Is there a sign at the bus stop?
Yes, there is a clear sign.
Can I see the bus stop from here?
No, you can't see it yet.
Is it safe to walk there?
Yes, it's very safe.
Is the area busy today?
Yes, it's a little busy.
Do many buses stop there?
Yes, several buses stop there.
Do I need a ticket before boarding?
Yes, you need a ticket.
Can I buy a ticket nearby?
Yes, there is a machine nearby.
Is the ticket machine easy to use?
Yes, it's very easy.
Does it accept cash and card?
Yes, it accepts both.
Will the bus arrive soon?
Yes, it should arrive soon.
Do buses come often here?
Yes, they come every 10 minutes.
Should I wait on this side?
Yes, wait on that side.
Can I ask the driver for help?
Yes, the driver can help you.
Thank you for your help today.
You're very welcome.
Have a nice day today.
You too, have a nice day.
Hello, I have a reservation for tonight.
Hello, welcome. May I see your name, please?
My name is Alex Brown.
Thank you, Mr. Brown.
Can you find my booking now?
Yes, I can see it on the screen.
Is my room ready already?
Yes, your room is ready now.
What floor is my room on?
Your room is on the 3rd floor.
Is there an elevator in this building?
Yes, the elevator is right over there.
Do I need a keycard?
Yes, here is your key card.
How many nights is my stay?
You are staying for 2 nights.
Is breakfast included in the price?
Yes, breakfast is included.
What time does breakfast start?
Breakfast starts at 7 in the morning.
Where is the breakfast room located?
It's on the 1st floor near the lobby.
Is Wi-Fi free in the hotel?
Yes, the Wi-Fi is free.
Can you give me the Wi-Fi password?
Yes, I will give it to you.
Is there a gym in this hotel?
Yes, we have a small gym.
What time does the gym open?
It opens at 6 in the morning.
Is there a swimming pool here?
No, we don't have a pool.
Can I get extra towels for my room?
Yes, I can send extra towels.
Is room service available tonight?
Yes, room service is available until 10.
Can I pay by card at checkout?
Yes, you can pay by card.
What time is checkout tomorrow morning?
Checkout is at 11 in the morning.
Can I leave my luggage after checkout?
Yes, you can leave it here.
Is there a taxi service from the hotel?
Yes, we can call a taxi.
How long does it take to arrive downtown?
It takes about 15 minutes.
Is there a restaurant near the hotel?
Yes, there is a nice restaurant nearby.
Can you recommend a good place to eat?
Yes, I recommend the Italian restaurant.
Is it within walking distance?
Yes, it's only 5 minutes away.
Is the area safe at night?
Yes, the area is very safe.
Thank you for all the helpful information.
You're very welcome.
I really appreciate your kind help.
I'm happy to help you.
Have a great day today.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay.
Excuse me, can you help me here, please?
Yes, of course. How can I help you?
I'm looking for my boarding gate number.
May I see your boarding pass, please?
Yes, here is my boarding pass.
Thank you. Let me check it quickly.
Is my flight on time today?
Yes, your flight is on time.
What gate should I go to now?
You should go to gate 24.
Is gate 24 far from here?
No, it's not very far.
How long does it take to walk there?
It takes about 5 minutes.
Should I go straight or turn left?
Go straight and then turn left.
Will I see signs for the gate?
Yes, you will see clear signs.
Do I need to go through security again?
No, you already passed security.
Is there a restroom near the gate?
Yes, there is one nearby.
Can I buy water near the gate?
Yes, there is a small shop there.
Is there time to get a coffee now?
Yes, you have enough time.
When does boarding start today?
Boarding starts in 20 minutes.
Should I wait near the gate area?
Yes, please wait near the gate.
Will they call my group number?
Yes, they will call your group.
Where can I sit while waiting?
You can sit on the chairs there.
Is Wi-Fi free in this airport?
Yes, the Wi-Fi is free.
Can I charge my phone here?
Yes, there are charging stations.
Is the flight usually full today?
Yes, this flight is usually full.
Can I bring my bag on the plane?
Yes, you can bring one carry-on bag.
Does my bag fit the size rules?
Yes, it looks fine.
Can I buy snacks on the plane?
Yes, you can buy snacks.
Do they accept cards on board?
Yes, they accept cards.
Will the flight be smooth today?
Yes, the weather looks good.
How long is the flight time?
It's about 2 hours.
Will we arrive on time today?
Yes, we should arrive on time.
Thank you for your kind help today.
You're very welcome.
You made this very easy for me.
I'm glad I could help.
Have a great day at work today.
Thank you. Have a nice flight.